Wi-Fi glasses. These are the first glasses that are discreet enough to hide an HD camera. Glasses are equipped with a Wi-Fi module, which allows you to stream live video via the internet. Now you can share your live view with everyone, anywhere. So, if you need help at school, on a date, or if you are on any secret mission, these glasses will come in handy. To get feedback from your friend, we recommend you use our 24K UPI mini wireless earpiece so that you can have two-way communication. Glasses are easy to use. Just connect them to your smartphone via the app, and you are ready to go. Super Pen, the first pen in the world that has a mini LCD screen that can display your answers. Just connect it to your PC, transfer your Word, PDF, text files to the pen, and you are ready for your exam. You will be able to clearly see your text, and in case someone gets too suspicious, there is even an emergency button which will lock the pen, and it is impossible to unlock it without the right combination. The pen is slim and small and looks the same as other normal pens. Super Pen also has the option to automatically scroll your text, so you don't need to press buttons when writing. There is also an option to set the brightness of your text. Say goodbye to failed exams and start enjoying your free time. Thanks to Super Pen. There is a smarter way to pass your exam. Introducing the RXO Smart Controller. RXO Smart Controller lets you remotely control your phone, providing you with endless possibilities. Just place the elastic strap on your chest and hide it under your shirt. You will also get a magic anti-spy folder in which you can hide your phone. Now you are ready for your exam. Just place your folder and books under the table. Once everything is in place, slowly touch your chest to scroll through the notes on your phone. The 360-degree anti-spy folder will allow only you to see the contents, and if your teacher gets too close, there is an emergency button which will turn off the display. You can use this with all other accessories. If accessories are not allowed, just hide your phone, and our cheat sheet app will make sure that the text is at the top of the screen, allowing you to see your notes clearly.
In our daily life, we are surrounded by portable devices. What do they have in common? They all die when we most need them. These are some of the devices we carry around. These are the cables we need to charge them. And these are the cables we remember to take with us. Okay, let's start over. These are some of the devices we carry around. And this is the cable you need to charge them. Yes, all of them. Introducing InCharge 6. InCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, InCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? InCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make InCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. InCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. that was too much. InCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your InCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.
New technologies are changing our lives in many fronts, and sports training has not been an exception. Meanwhile, table tennis training has not changed for ages. And that is why we created FastPong. FastPong is the result of extensive university research published in scientific journals and first-hand experience from national table tennis players. Meet Amir, former Iran's national table tennis player and the CEO of FastPong.
We found strong evidence that visually stimulating the player under pressure to improve their reaction time dramatically improved their accuracy and performance overall. A better visual perception is the key for the players to improve their reaction time and decision making, and ultimately improving their accuracy. And FastPong has based its product on these strong findings and data. To bring change in table tennis training is our mission, and creating the perfect training system is our passion and pride.
With FastPong, you receive auditory feedback.
Good job. Good.
And visual feedback as you train. And it gets even better with the help of the FastPong app. You can record your performance and share it on social media to get feedback from friends and coaches. Now you can track your performance every day and get motivated to do even better. FastPong's patent-pending technology detects where you hit the ball, and the app helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses. FastPong's advanced AI personalizes your training for you so that you can improve as quickly as possible. And if you do not like to train or play alone, FastPong has got you covered. FastPong has a multiplayer mode just to make it more fun for you and your friends. If you want to be the best table tennis player in the world or play table tennis for fun, FastPong is here to make that happen.